Hello, can you see my screen? Hello. Hello.
I'm here. I can see your screen.
Okay. Still having that same error, Abby?
Yes.
Maybe you restart your system later. You try it.
Hmm. Maybe I will try it later. I can't. What I'm working on, I can't close my system.
Okay.
Maybe
So
I've used my system for different programs, and I'm not sure that my system. I don't think for the past 3 days. So
wow.
I will try it later.
Okay. So now when this thing did complete the execution, you will see a file called build exec. This is the file that we converted. So that's what I want to open here. That's these are the directory. These are the directory of the file. Now when I run this one here, I run the sign up.py. What do you notice? It opens my what do you call it now? It opens a command
Man,
environment, a command prompt, then it's a run off. So what it's looking for is actually looking for the raw file to run. So what you do in that case, make sure you copy this file that you have here, then drop it on your primary directory. So this is your primary directory that you have here. So you drop it here. So you paste it.
the raw files. They are the project
The project
folder.
file, the project folder.
Ah. So it's not going to convert the code at all.
It has converted it now. The sign up.exec.
So if you put the project file there now, it means that if you somebody want to run, if you want to send it to somebody, you are going to send it along with the code.
You are you you send it along with the okay. Now in that case, you make it installable on their system. You use another software called InnoSetup. So when you use InnoSetup, InnoSetup will convert it to installable file, just like you
Right.
have
Yeah.
your normal installable file. So when you are doing the InnoSetup, it requires libraries, dynamic DLL files. Most of these softwares they make use of a DLL files to work. So the DLL file that this one will work with now, it will need this raw file for it to load. And again, the database again. The database is called Headline. It also needs it as a DLL file. So let's see now. When I run this one now, where is the setup? So you can see it now. So
Yes, I can see it.
so you run the setup file, it loads out for you. You can see that I'm not running it from my VS Code environment too. I'm running it from the setup. So I'll double click on this.
So my only concern is that folder.
If
Because
if you don't want them to have access to the folder, convert your Python with CS freeze to exe file. All right. Then install a software called InnoSetup on your system. So when you start deploying with your InnoSetup, make sure you copy your signup.ph executable file as your first loading file. Then you see these files, all those Python file, blah 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 stuff, all those things, put them as a sub file. So when you now deploy it to executable file, as they install it on their system, they will run this setup file. They will not have access to this your Python code.
they will, they will.
It will be
Let me explain to you.
it will be in their program files now. It's only somebody that is
Yeah, it will be in the program file. So a smart person can have access to the code.
EJ. Even if they have access, even if they have access to the code, they will not able to set it up. When you are setting
So
up a
let me explain. Like Java, if you have a
mm,
build file now,
okay,
that build file, you just have to copy your database along with it, all the picture that
Yes,
you
yes,
use.
yes,
So
yes.
now, if I want to do the exact file now, I will
Uh,
use the third-party application. When I put the third-party application, it will only request for those files, the picture and the build file along. It will
okay.
just convert everything. So you don't you when you go to the program file, when you open any file, you will just be
You will
seeing
not
bytes.
see it.
Everything have been converted to different language entirely.
Okay.
Is that your laptop that is showing battery?
It's my
Okay,
laptop. Oh.
I thought it's mine.
So it's my own.
Okay,
So I'm going to end it here because of my system. And
yeah.
if TS Freezer is not okay, you can try Py-to-exe or you try PyInstaller. Okay, these are
So
other.
my happiness is that you giving me the background to Python. I've been trying
Exactly,
to achieve this for many years now. So
exactly.
from now on,
You can
you
build.
have AI, you have YouTube, you
Thank
have
you. Yeah,
so many
yes.
things to
There are
solve the
many.
problem,
There
sir.
are many AI there. ZZAI, plenty there. But just the foundational knowledge, since you've gotten it,
Okay,
is okay. All right. Thank you for your time.
thank you,
Uh,
sir.
have a
Yeah.
nice day. Please, I will drop the projects to the WhatsApp group, and the project I will not even supervise. If you are done with it, drop your this thing, drop the UI on the WhatsApp platform.
You will not supervise.
No, I won't
So
supervise.
if you run enter problem,
No, no. The thing is that we are, yeah, they are matured now. So, and it's not a physical class. Sure, you get that you'll be seeing the person like Martins now and Tosin. I don't even know if they can even do anything in this course at all. I don't know if you get. So it's only you.
my own
Is
case now. Before I can start the project 2 weeks time. Oh.
no wala, no
All of
wala.
that.
It's
Yeah.
okay. All right, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Thanks. Well done, sir.